You know why we dey always come here? Because of wetin dey happen for inside your economy, so that at least you go understand wetin dey happen around your economy, wetin to use your own money do, and as a business person, you go know the kind policies wey government don put in place to fast track your business. My name na Fagbo Frank, and na business matter be this. Now we'll go straight into some of the things wey dey hot for inside the Nigerian business landscape. The number one story wey we get for here be say Nigeria don generate nothing less than 864 billion naira in just for corporate tax for just the first half of 2021. Now, imagine, say, when you reach first half, you don't generate 58% of your own, of your projected revenue. What think will happen for the remaining half of this year? More watch and more we'll see. But then, based on this index, we say Nigeria Bureau of Statistics bring come out. It means, say, Nigeria right now, they very much on check based on the fact, say, we don't generate nothing, at least 58% of our projected revenue for the half of this year. Nigerian investors, the number two, what we get for here, we say also Nigerian investors go soon start to pay foreign taxes to the US based on the based on the foreign stocks we say that they buy from the comfort of their homes. You know, so they always come here to explain some kind of investment strategy and platforms to you as an investor, as an entrepreneur for inside the economy. Some people from the comfort of their homes, they buy foreign stock with some of all these online platforms. They get some kind of online platforms will be brokers. Now they don't talk, say Nigerians go soon start to pay foreign taxes based on those foreign stocks. We say they buy, you know, say some kind of investment. We say they put inside the U.S. stock exchange. Sometimes they put it for the New York stock exchange and different stock exchanges around the world. U.S. don't come out, don't talk, say, boy, some of all these countries we say they buy their own foreign stock, go soon they pay taxes based on those stocks we say they buy. Another matter we will get for here from the stables of United Nations. Now United Nations don't come out, they don't talk, say they don't release $250 million, around 62 billion naira, to tackle insecurity, to tackle food insecurity for inside northern Nigeria. You know, say for inside northern Nigeria, you get some kind kata we say they always happen, and they talk, say, based on, say, the food security for the nation, a very paramount situation. Say they won't tackle them. Now why they release nothing less than $250 million in our own money, now 62 billion naira. They release and talk, say, okay, maybe we tackle food insecurity. At least we go food could be sufficient for Nigeria for inside this country. Based on that matter again, based on another matter again, courts don't come out, don't talk, say, for inside River State, don't talk, say, now state government now you go to collect VAT and income taxes, no be federal government. Now the Federal High Court for inside Port Harcourt now come out talk, say, oh boy, say now state government go to collect all those taxes. Say no be federal government, because the matter, again, they use the fight time, they carry the matter go court. Now the state government don't win the matter right now. It talks, say now state government go to collect those taxes, all the from taxes we got to do VAT, PIT, all of our personal income tax, value added taxes, and all of all those taxes for inside that state, for inside River State. They talk, say now state government now ain't go to collect them. At this point in time, you know, say we always come out with some business takeaway segment, and this business takeaway segment we say we get at this point in time. Now something, I want investment instrument. We say I talk to make I come inform my people about one investment instrument. We say they fit dabble into the investment instrument now exchange traded fund. Exchange traded fund now they call ETF. Now I know you go down here of ETF here, ETF there. Now ETF now say, okay, imagine ETF does they related to the stocks. Now stocks now say, okay, they buy some percentage of a particular huge company where they public, where they listed for any stock exchange. But ETF, just imagine, say, stocks now stick of broom. ETF now the bundle of the whole broom, now the bunch of the whole broom. So imagine, say, you invest inside ETF. It means, say, sometimes we get different types of ETF. ETF now say, okay, some kind collective securities. Sometimes it be like, say, in a collective securities of the stocks market, of the different stocks or different companies where they listed for inside different stock exchanges. So imagine, say, ETF, you get ETF of S&P 500. Now ETF, when I say S&P 500, it means that the 500 most valuable countries companies where they listed for the S&P 500 index. So if you buy stocks, if you buy the ETF of S&P 500, you get another ETF where we say different ETF we get. We get VOO. VOO also na ETF. We also get VTO. Now VGT na ETF where we say they listed among different tech companies where they list. We get 358 different companies where they listed for just that ETF where they call VGT. And these companies now all those companies where they infotech, you know, say the likes of Google, the likes of Microsoft, the likes of Amazon, all these IT-dominated companies, now they listed for that ETF, VGT. And that VGT alone, they do nothing less than 42% return on investment just in the space of 12 months. So imagine that kind of investment strategy where we say if you put your money into, and it is very, very secured. Now imagine a stick of broom. Investing in a stick of broom and investing in a bunch of broom, which one you think say they very much guaranteed? Listen to this analogy. It means say now the bunch of broom they very much guaranteed compared to investing in stocks. So some people they always look and say, oh boy, as a newbie inside the investment space, say make I just invest inside ETF. Because if one company for my ETF no do very well, another company go cover for that company will not do very well. So imagine say you get a list of 358 companies where we say you they invest in one ETF. Another ETF where we say we get now hack. Hack now ETFs where we say they listed, we get different, just like cyber security, and we get like 66 different companies where they listed for that, just that hack ETF. So if you invest in some of all these different ETFs, I know say I don't they blow grammar, but forget all this grammar where we say we they blow. If you want to invest in ETF, if you carry your phone, just download some kind of app, and one app where we say I feel recommend na Chaka. From Chaka you go figure access. From that Chaka, if you buy shares, if you buy stocks. Also from that Chaka, if you buy ETF, there are different types of ETF. Go there, you go see the different type of ETFs. You go see the companies where they listed for each and every ETF. I explain and give you right now, say VGT in a ETF, and that VGT, they get nothing less than 358 companies for the information technology companies, for the information technology space. Another ETF where we get now hack. Hack get nothing less than 66 different companies where they listed for just that hack ETF. And if you invest in them for the past 12 months, they do nothing less than 35% return on investment for just the past 12 months. So imagine say you invest in investment instrument where they guaranteed as much as ETF. It means say your investment go they solid for pensioners, for people who say just finish, just get some kind of huge money. Where say they find place where they very, very secured. Unlike stocks market, sometimes the stock market if they volatile, you know, say they invest in just one company. What if that company they liquidated? But some people just prefer to invest in lots of companies so that at least their investment go they guaranteed. Now why we bring you things where we say you need to understand about ETF. Oh boy, I just check time now. Chat time no day my side to discuss everything where you need to understand about ETF. But then if you catch me across all social media platforms at Fagbo Frank, we will continue the conversation on top business, on top the investment and your company at large. Now, don't go anywhere because why? The Good Morning Naija show still continues. But then make sure say you they profitable in anything where you do. Cheers.